dear friends, let me welcome you to the fifth lecture of sound. बात चल रही है 11th स्टैंडर्ड के ऊपर के बेस्ड साउंड नामक फिजिक्स के टॉपिक के पांचवें लेक्चर के एमसीक्यू की। तो चलिए 10 एमसीक्यू का सिलसिला उसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर वन क्या है क्वेश्चन? फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड वेव्स द सोर्स शुड एग्जीक्यूट साउंड। अरे ये तो कल वाला लास्ट का क्वेश्चन था शायद। ओके चलो चलते हैं। फॉर प्रोड्यूसिंग साउंड वेव्स द सोर्स शुड एग्जीक्यूट, sound is longitudinal, so source should also execute longitudinal vibrations. The answer is B, second option. The answer is B, second option. Longitudinal vibrations. Longitudinal vibrations. Second question. क्या है दूसरा सवाल? The waves produced in a gas is always, gas में कौन से वेव्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे? तो गैस में सिर्फ लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल वेव्स प्रोड्यूस होंगे, क्योंकि लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल वेव प्रोड्यूस होने के लिए द मीडियम शुड हैव इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ वॉल्यूम, और सॉलिड लिक्विड गैस तीनों को इलास्टिसिटी ऑफ वॉल्यूम होता है, इसलिए गैस अगर है तो लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल वेव आएंगे। अगर ट्रांसवर्स वेव को पास होना है तो इट शुड पोजेस मॉडुलस ऑफ रिजिडिटी। यहाँ पे sound produced in a gas is always longitudinal. The answer is A, longitudinal. Longitudinal. Question number 3. A transverse wave in transporting energy from east to west. Okay, east to west जा रहा है. The particles of the medium will move north south because it has to be perpendicular. The answer is east to west. It will move both northward and southward. It will move north and south. It will move north and south. It will move north and south. Fourth question D है। अरे north and south, SOUTH साउंड कहाँ आ गया यहाँ पे? North and south. Question number 3 का आंसर है D, fourth option. Question number 4. The dash is developed during compression. जब compression होगा तो it is heating up the medium, and where rarefaction is there, there will be cooling, but no heat is transported out of the system. The dash is developed during compression. Heat is developed during compression. The answer is B, second option. It is heat is developed during compression. Heat is developed during compression. पांचवा सवाल. A wave is transporting energy from left to right. Left to right, wave energy transport कर रही है. The particles of the medium are moving back and forth, ऐसे आगे पीछे, in the left rightward. So obviously the particles of the medium are vibrating parallel to the direction of propagation, and therefore it is longitudinal. Question number 5 का आंसर है longitudinal. ऑप्शन कौन सा है? A, longitudinal. A, longitudinal. It is A, longitudinal. छठा सवाल, सिक्स्थ क्वेश्चन. लॉन्जिट्यूडिनल और ट्रांसवर्स से जुड़े हुए ही क्वेश्चंस आज हम देख रहे हैं. छठा सवाल है इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स आर डैश. इलेक्ट्रोमैग्नेटिक वेव्स आर longitudinal. No, they are not. They are light waves. Yes, of course, but surface wave, no. Better option is longitudinal. What do you say? EM waves are transverse. The answer is D, fourth option. Electromagnetic waves are transverse waves. सवाल नंबर 7, seventh question. The wave in which particles of the medium vibrate, at right angles to the direction of the wave motion. Particles are vibrating perpendicular to the direction of propagation. Vibration of particle. It is called as transverse waves. It is called as, option क्या है? C, transverse wave. C. It is called as transverse waves. Question number 8. It is called as C, transverse wave. आठवां सवाल. the wave in which the particles of the medium vibrate in the direction of the motion, that is parallel to the vibration of the particles. The wave is moving parallel to the direction of vibration of the particle. We say it is longitudinal wave. 8वें सवाल का जवाब है कौन सा ऑप्शन है longitudinal wave? B, longitudinal wave. The answer is B, longitudinal wave. It is B, longitudinal wave. नवा सवाल, 9th question. Longitudinal waves will create dash. The longitudinal waves will create compressions and rarefactions Longitudinal waves will create, it will divide the medium into alternate compressions and rarefactions. The answer of the 9th question is C, third option. The answer is C, third option. 10वां और आज का आखिरी सवाल. Question number 10. Transverse wave create. Okay, longitudinal are creating compressions and rarefactions. The transverse are going to create crest and troughs. Crest and troughs. Compressions and rarefactions in longitudinal and crest and troughs in transverse. The answer of that question is A, first option. Is A, first option. तो चलिए गाइज एंड गर्ल्स, हमारा आज का सेशन इन 10 सवालों के जवाबों के साथ यहीं पर ख़त्म हो जाता है. आशा करते हैं कि आपको ये थियरी पार्ट बड़ा ही आसान लगा होगा, आपने अच्छे से मार्क्स स्कोर किए होंगे. Let us meet on the other side of the break with the multiple choice question segment of the 6th lesson, 6th lecture. Thank you so much and have a great day.